Hi everyone, I'm Lorraine from Simply English Edinburgh. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is the last in a 4-part series on how to use the conditionals in English. So if you have missed the other videos 0 through to 2, please have a look in the description box below. Today we're going to look at the third conditional. So when you're ready, let's get started. The third conditional is formed by using if plus the past perfect, would plus the present perfect. Now, basically, in a nutshell, the third conditional is the opposite of reality. It is something that if this thing had happened in a different way, which it didn't because that's impossible, then this would have been the result. But of course, that result never happened because the initial action never happened either. Okay, it sounds very confusing, but let's just look at it like this. If I had studied biology, I would have become a scientist. Did I study biology? No, I studied languages. Did I become a biologist? No, I became a language teacher. So you basically have to construct a sentence whereby it is the absolute opposite of what really happened. Now you might think, why? Why would we ever do that? Now we use this a lot when we want to express regret. Things like, oh my God, why did I do that? If I had done things differently, maybe the outcome would also have been different. For example, if I hadn't spent all my savings on clothes, I would have been able to go on holiday. Did you spend your money on clothes? Yes. Were you able to go on holiday? No, because you spent all of your money on clothes. So that is a good way to express regret with the third conditional. Now remember, it can't ever have happened. It is the opposite of reality. So you can see if you watched all the videos through that you're going from guaranteed results with the 0. Now we're at the third conditional where this is something that it's impossible to change. It is the opposite of reality. So stay watching to the end of the video for more examples. If you would like to see more grammar content, let me know in the description box below. And as always, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.